Now, we're taking action for your health this morning. New research is exposing a possible gap in how vaccines protect our children. A study in the journal Pediatrics says protection against whooping cough starts to weaken a few years after kids get their final shot. That usually happens around ages 4 to 6. Kids aren't recommended to get another booster shot until ages 11 or 12. Well, now researchers say they're seeing a spike in whooping cough cases between the ages of 7 and 10. The study says efforts to move up that booster shot age, though, aren't likely to work because it's currently given at the same time as several other vaccines for children.